with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to my kitchen today. We're going to do a wonderful fun recipe. It's called cherry chocolate cake. Of course, I'm going to use canned pie cherries. My husband and I were born and raised in Montana around Flathead Lake. We had a lot of cherries going on in the summertime, and we're thinking of something fun to do. And we're going to do this recipe in the Dutch oven outside in our Dutch oven cooking area. What I'm going to, and I've already made my cake ahead of time. It's a chocolate cake from a dear friend of mine. And at the end of this video, stay with me. I'm going to give you a special tip about this cake. First, what I'm going to do is put in our cherries. And this is a 10-inch Dutch oven that has been oiled and seasoned, which you all know cast iron needs to be well taken care of. So I'm going to put that in there. And this is also a really fun recipe to take up camping. You can mix all your dry ingredients, put them in a bag, a container, and then all you need to do is add your liquids when you get up there and get set up for camping up in the mountains. And you've got a wonderful dessert to share with all your family and friends. Okay, that is in my Dutch oven. Now I'm going to spread my cake mix evenly over the top. And this needs to bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour, which we will be checking at and making sure that everything's cooking accordingly. There you go. All right. After this is baked, we'll see in a little bit. As you can see, my cake mix ingredients here. It's flour, sugar, oil, and a very special thing is vinegar, cocoa, soda, salt, and a good vanilla. If you like this recipe, remember that you can go on to WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com, and we have a free recipe and cooking guide. So go to our website and you will make sure to download it, and you will love it. Thank you. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. All right, our cherry chocolate cake got done. As you can see, it turned out absolutely beautiful. And really, you don't need ice cream on this unless you really want more calories. Remember, I told you to hang out till the very end. I would give you a very special tip on this cake. It has no eggs in it, and it turns out absolutely beautiful. Here is a salute to our viewers. Thank you for watching our channel. Remember our motto: great food, great friends and family equals great times. Just remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave a comment. And also, we do have a website. It is WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com. And if you go to there, you will get a free guide and recipe book. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you another day with some more great recipes. Thank you.